And now we will be going live with Javeria Shahzad.
Okay, nice. This is like
Assalamu alaikum, Javeria.
Salam. How are you, Vikas?
I am good, and the lighting is perfect.
Yes, yeah. मतलब I checked all of the angles. मतलब पूरे घर में कि कहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा रोशनी पड़ी हो कि like
और आज
impact
मेरी
होता है.
लाइटिंग परफेक्ट नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों मैं मुझे ऊपर ही लाइट नहीं पड़ रही
It's
है.
okay. I try to
I have
compensate for the
to.
lighting.
How are you, Javeria?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. How are you doing? How is the quarantine
I'm
going?
quarantine is going jolly, as you can see it. That's what I'm
हाँ.
doing in this quarantine.
Yes, because it's good.
तुम्हारे क्वारंटाइन कैसे जा रहे हैं? Because you have classes and it's hectic. Because मुझे पता है कि सुनने में अच्छा लगता है कि घर पे बैठ के क्लासेस लेना, but it's not good.
I would rather घर पे बैठ के सिर्फ सोऊं. बैठे हुए सूं, खाना खाते हुए सूं, सोते हुए भी सूं. So like घर पे रह के classes never sounded good to me. It's fine.
So do
मतलब
you actually miss your friends?
वो I mean my friends are my life. So like I miss them so much. I mean आगे पीछे उनकी शक्लों को देख के चिढ़ चढ़ी होती है, but I'm like यार आज सिर्फ जाना है.
And you know, like it is actually very good thing that सब लोग कहते हैं कि ठीक है, friends are our life और ये वो, but the people who are actually from Oman, as you are, तो के लिए friends are very important. Why is that?
True that. I'm not sure where you heard that, but like I think friends are important for everyone, not just Oman. ओमान थोड़ा बैरन सा इलाका है, वहाँ पे काफी जिंदगी भी फास्ट है थोड़ी सी एज कम्पेयर टू पाकिस्तान, वेयर पीपल आर एबल टू टेक आउट द टाइम फॉर देमसेल्व्स, जहाँ पे किसी के साथ वक्त भी बहुत गुजारा जाता है, फैमिली के साथ भी, फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी. बट एवर सिंस आई मूव बैक मुझे लगा कि मुझे दोस्तों की इंपॉर्टेंस का अंदाजा अब जाके हुआ है. सो इन दैट रिगार्ड यू माइट बी राइट.
So you have lived there for like how many years?
I've lived there for about 14, 15 years. I mean, after 14 years, I kept moving, you know.
You almost grew up there.
Yeah, I did grow up there because I don't remember the first 5 years of my life. So, yeah.
So how was it? Like, what is that thing which you miss the most about Oman?
I think the peace. But something that I miss the most is the beaches. मतलब वहाँ पे जाके आप बैठ जाओ, सनसेट देखो, सनराइज देखो, आपने पढ़ना है आप पढ़ो, आपने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम गुजारना है, आपने you wanna go and walk in the beach. So many different kinds of beaches as well, like पहाड़ों वाला beach, खाली पानी वाला beach. There's lots of people. There's just like a सुनसान beach. आप walk कर रहे हो, jogging कर रहे हो. There's lots of stuff. All of my memories are related to like beaches वहाँ के.
So, Javeria, you have studied there, और इसके अलावा यहाँ पे you are actually teaching kids now. So, what is the difference you see in the education system?
There's a great difference in the education system. उसकी सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी like निशानी ये है कि I moved back to Pakistan for my higher studies. तो वहाँ पे 12th grade तक like O A levels करना है आपने, FSC करना है जो overseas वाले बच्चे होते हैं, जो कि मैं भी थी. तो it's fine, you can study there. It's not a good education until 12th grade, लेकिन उसके बाद तो education में कोई हिसाब किताब ही नहीं है ना. It's kind of expensive as well, but the money is not worth it. तो I moved back to Pakistan और people जो वहाँ के बच्चे होते हैं, so the locals they move abroad, UK, US चले जाते हैं for better higher studies. तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम पाकिस्तान का बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर, ऑब्वियसली इज लॉट फ्लॉज और बहुत सारा काम यहाँ के एजुकेशन सिस्टम में भी करने वाला है, बट एज कम्पेयर टू ओमान वी आर so far ahead.
Well, that is actually good. मुझे उनके पास बात अच्छा लगी because I always thought that we were far behind than Oman.
Then Oman. And what do you know about Oman?
Nothing.
I feel like I am taking the interview now. I promised myself to Javeria not talk in cross question, but I tend to
Well,
question
you can cross question me. You can cross question me, and I'll be like, okay, I don't know.
Existential crisis नहीं कराना चाहती ना, मतलब फिर तुम अब यहाँ पे अपने सारे सवाल भूल जाओ. So we're here to like know more about me. Also, I love the attention, so.
That is actually good. So, Javeria, like, what actually makes? पहले तो ये बताओ कि what is your field of education अभी right now? क्योंकि जब मैं तुमसे मिला था, I thought that you are a literature student, but
basically
you were doing something with science. What are you doing?
Yes. So I'm studying biotechnology. बड़ा ही fancy, बड़ा ही heavy किस्म का लफ्ज लगता है okay, bio and technology, I don't know, something to do with technology, robotics and stuff. So it's kind of, it's hard as well, it's cool as well, it's a lot of fun as well if you're interested in biotechnology. बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा होगा. अभी कोरोना आया है तो लोगों को पता चल गया है कि बायो में कुछ करना पड़ेगा, अब आगे रिसर्च वगैरह करनी पड़ेगी. Studying biotechnology right now, also minoring in education, which you can see is like.
And like, what actually was your focus on जब तुमने start किया? Did you actually wanted to be in education, or अचानक से like it came up along the way?
Very good question. मुझे लगता है existential crisis मुझे अभी होने वाला है. Because I took a gap year. मैंने MCAT दिया था 2 मरतबा. I wanted to become a doctor, or rather my parents wanted me to become one. So I thankfully did not become a doctor, and I landed in FC. I'm studying biotechnology right now. I think it's बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है because I am a research oriented person. Somebody who loves to explore, somebody who loves to move forward. So with आप जब डॉक्टर बन जाते हो, obviously there is a lot of doctors who like pursuing their PhDs as well, but that's very rare in Pakistan. So for me, I would love to go into research. Like आप और ज़्यादा उसकी आगे चीज़ें explore करते हैं, be it education, be it biotechnology, any field. But I would love to grow. So I'm glad that I'm here studying biotechnology.
और अभी तक तुमने जितने भी मोड ऑफ एजुकेशन, मोड ऑफ एजुकेटिंग पीपल, मोड ऑफ एजुकेटिंग चिल्ड्रन जो सिलेक्ट किए हैं, they were offbeat. Like you were with science, you are with science, you're working with BTC as well. So do you actually think that these organizations that are working in Pakistan, they have the potential to actually play their own part in the policy making of education?
These are startups right now. मतलब Science Fees is also growing right now, and क्या कहते हैं, same goes for BTC. मतलब it started a few years ago. Also there's a lot of like बहुत सारा काम उसमें रहता है. छोटे level पे वो लोग start करें, they're working on values. Science Fees is working on creating curiosity, as उसका tagline में भी है. उसके different programs ये कहते हैं. So these programs आगे जाके I feel like ये बहुत ज़्यादा successful हो सकते हैं. They can have a very solid base in the education system as well. Right now कुछ different करने की कोशिश हो रही है, but obviously एक बहुत bold step नहीं लिया जा सकता. You have to mold them, start like on a smaller level, जहाँ पे आप आगे जाके मतलब where you can go side by side with other education systems. जिस तरह schools के बच्चे आते हैं, BTC वगैरह जो है, they go into schools and then they introduce their own curriculum. They're also working on their own curriculum. So obviously आपका एक curriculum पूरा develop करना भी itself is a very big task, because you have to see कि आपकी क्या needs हैं, बच्चों की क्या needs हैं.
It is actually a very big, you can say, achievement.
Sorry?
It is tough and it is actually a big achievement.
Yes, it is. I'm so thankful to have come across such people, such minds who've thought of these things, who are empathetic enough to know कि इस चीज की कितनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. They've been through some tough times in their own childhood as well, in their own schools as well. लेकिन there are very few people who feel the need के पैसे नहीं कमाने, सिर्फ we have to give back to the society as well. And I'm so glad to be a part of such people, such as you, such as Lala, such as Danish and BTC. There's amazing people.
Well, that is good. जवेरिया, आजकल सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं सेल्फ केयर के बारे में, यानी सेल्फ केयर इज इन ट्रेंड these days. क्वारंटाइन में चलो सेल्फ केयर करते हैं. What is self care to you?
I don't know about the trend, but I think it's a necessity. मतलब अगर आप अपना ख्याल नहीं रख सकते तो nobody can take care of you, because nobody can.
How do you define self care? यानी तुम्हारे लिए सेल्फ केयर क्या है?
I think self care would be जो आपकी mental health improve करे, because अगर आपका दिमाग ठीक नहीं है, then your body will not be fine as well. If you're not mentally well, you cannot perform well physically as well. So I think for me, self care would be doing things, interacting with people that end up making you well mentally. And so, yeah.
Have you been taking care of yourself? Do you feel mentally good?
That's a very good question. I do not feel attacked at all. I've been trying to. We all have to keep trying. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm talking to you right now. Interacting with you right now is also a part of my self-care, because for me, self-care is interacting with people. I constantly try to, meet people online, and what's up with the smile?
like I'm part of your self-healing process.
Okay. So you are being acknowledged right now. मतलब इतनी importance कभी किसी ने दी नहीं. Just messing with
अच्छा
you.
तुम्हें पता है जबेरिया जब मैंने तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू करना था ना मेरे दिमाग में था कि ठीक है लाइक शी हैज मूव्ड हियर फ्रॉम ओमान एंड शी इज नॉट एक्चुअली फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. मैं इससे क्या सवाल पूछूं. आई कॉन्टेक्टेड माई कजन. शी इज अ वेरी फार अवे की कजन. ठीक है उसको मैंने फोन किया उससे मैंने पूछा कि लाइक यू हैव बीन टू ओमान लाइक अपनी सारी जिंदगी ओमान में रही है. एंड शी आस्क्ड मी कि तुम जवेरिया से पूछना कि हैज शी बीन टू सलाला. व्हाट इज सलाला?
Salalah, nice. I mean, nobody asked me that question. I'm somebody who's like bragging about Salalah. Like everyone talks about Oman, everyone talks about. I know Muscat. Muscat is the city of Oman and all, but nobody talks about Salalah. Yeah, for me, Salalah is like big part of my childhood because my Nana Boo used to live in Salalah. The reason why my dad moved to Oman was because of my Nana Boo. Both worked in the same company, which is Oman. So my most memory, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी childhood की memory is attached with Salalah because we used to be just Nana Boo there. So you know how it's like in Nano Ghar is better than Dado Ghar. वैसे I never got to experience my Dado and my Dada Boo because they passed away jaldi. But I remember कि हम लोग की सारी जब हमारी सारी जो दीनी तरबियत होती है सारी नाना बू के पास एक स्टिक होती थी तो ही वुड ऑलवेज हैव दैट टू थ्रेटन अस कि आइए सुनाओ मुझे सूरा सुनाओ मुझे. मैं मेरा भाई होता था तो वी वर लाइक हम लोग में सिर्फ साल का डिफरेंस एंड वी वुड बी लाइक इनसेपरेबल. लड़ना भी बहुत है मतलब अच्छी खासी हम लोग की लड़ाई होती थी आपस में. बट देन ऑल्सो वी वुड बी लाइक अ टीम एज वेल. तो जब भी होता था तो आई बी लाइक नाना बू ने सुनना है ये नाना बू ने हमसे ये सूरा सुनिए तो तुम ये याद कर लो. मुझे याद होती थी लाइक जब आप मुझे बता दो मुझे नहीं आती है मुझे याद करवा दो. नाना बू ने माना. ही वुड नेवर
यार ब्यूटीफुल.
I miss him so much. I'll get nostalgic. I'll start crying. I don't cry, but that's something I miss about Salalah.
What is actually Salalah? Salalah is a place, or what is that?
Yeah, Salalah जो है ना, it's actually a city which is very interesting. It was gifted to the late king. He passed away last year I guess. Sultan Qaboos. Now there's another king. तो he was gifted it to him by his in-laws. मतलब उसकी जो शादी हुई थी तो the wife brought it, jahez and stuff like that. So it's actually not jahez, we would call it gift because वहाँ पे हिसाब किताब नहीं होता. They don't really take dowry. They actually give. It's a culture in the Arabian people. So
I love Oman.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm like मैं भी किसी ओमानी बंदे से like कोई in touch होती हूँ. Considering the crisis that we are in Pakistan. So yeah, it's actually very far away from. It's I guess 11,000 kilometers away from the main Oman. Otherwise Oman में तो travel करना इतना मुश्किल नहीं होता. आधे घंटे में आप कहीं पहुंच जाओ, घंटे में आप पहुंच जाओ. It's like 100 and so kilometers. तो वो मसला नहीं होता. But Salalah is kind of far. You have to take bus.
सही. तो जवेरिया एक बात मुझे तुमसे और पूछनी है कि when it comes to friends you value your friendships a lot. So how this relationship which we call friendship has defined you over the period of your time, over the period of your life pura. How this word has defined you?
This word has a lot of importance for me. Just you said that Oman, people in Oman have a lot of importance for friendships. That's very true. I did not really have good friends. I wouldn't say not good friends. They were amazing people, but I never got to build that bond with them. I never got to cherish true friendship. जो friendship होती है पाकिस्तान में आके पता चला कि friendship होती है when you supporting each other when you grow. If you're not able to grow with the people that you're staying with, then I don't think it's called true friendship. And ever since I came to FC, before FC it was a lot of struggle. Oman, maybe I spent 14 years in the same institution, man. No growth whatsoever, basic as hell life. लोग वही शक्लें देखनी होती थी, उन्हीं से लड़ाई होती थी, अगले दिन उन्हीं से जाके पैचअप करना था बिकॉज यार अकेले लोनर लाइफ तो गुजारनी. So we had to deal with those people. Also my mom was a teacher there. And they knew every other teacher. It was like a small family, small place, small people, small Pakistani community. तो वहाँ पे आपने हर किसी से बना के रखनी है because you cannot survive otherwise. So उस हिसाब से तो I had to bear with those children as well. Very standoffish and all that. And my mom was like, she was an instructor. She was a teacher there. And she would not treat me like I was her daughter, like I was any other student. मतलब कोई protocol ही नहीं. I'm like, dude, I
She
am
was
your
professional.
daughter. Oh yeah, she was very professional. I respect that about her a lot. I think that's what I've learned from her too. Being very just with my profession. Professional वैसे कह रही हूँ जिसमें बड़ी, but whatever I do, I try to be as just as possible with my
You are
friendships.
you can say that you are professional because Jamelia, you have started it. चाहे तुमने it doesn't matter कि तुमने किस age में start किया, but you have stepped into a field and you are working there as a professional team member. So you can say professional feeling ये नहीं है कि तुम इतने साल की हो. Like Gigi Hadid is professional. She is young.
Between what university is and what the professional life is. मतलब university में ज़्यादा बच्चे societies में होते हैं और university की politics में involved होते हैं. I wasn't really into that. I did try it and I was like, that's not my cup of tea. So I went out, I tried and explored.
That's what I'm going to talk about with Zunaira actually. Society की politics के बारे में.
Society की politics के बारे में. What's up with that? कुछ recent हुआ है, मुझे भी जानना है.
Recently हुआ है, like university के अंदर societies बनी भी होती हैं. There is politics in that.
Oh yeah, I think she did experience that because we recently.
Exactly, we experienced that, and that's why we have to talk about.
Oh, that will be very spicy. I would love to come to that session. I'm going to visit.
You have to. You can come to that session. बल्कि मैं ऐसा करूँगा, मैं ना एक Zoom का separate session भी रखूँगा, उसके अंदर तीनों होते हैं.
Oh yes. वहाँ पे हम हर एक को पकड़ के ना बिचेंग करेंगे.
I would love that. और Jamelia, मेरे show का जो एक last question है, that is a signature question. What is that thing that keeps you bright in the darkest of times?
Oh my God, that's a very intense question. Bright in the darkest of times. Bright तो ऐसे. खैर, there's lots of things. You're welcome.
Sorry. Yes.
Yeah, bright would be a lot of things. People, myself as well. First of all, I'll start with my friends. They keep me. I think why I'm here is also because of my friends. मतलब यार बहुत attention दे रही हूँ मैं इसको. I hope they're not here in the comments or whatever. They'll be like,
they are.
Well, crap. The other thing that keeps me bright in the darkest of times is having hope. लगता है ऐसे a lot of people who talk to me, they think like constant existential crisis चल रहा है इस बंदी का, but I would like to believe कि the reason why I'm here is because of hope. I have that flicker of hope that keeps me going. Also my ability to cherish little moments of happiness. किसी से बात कर ली, किसी के साथ अच्छा वक्त गुजार लिया, अच्छा खाना खा लिया. Food for life, man. And spending some time with my own self. Self-care is very important. So a lot of these little things, they keep me going and they keep me brightest in the darkest of times.
Well, that is good. Acha, अब I have few questions for you and you have to be very quick with them. It's kind of a rapid fire. इसके बाद we'll be signing off. ठीक है? It's almost 12 questions. Are you ready? Am I audible?
Sorry? Yeah, you're audible.
Am I
audible?
You are perfectly audible. Okay, 1 to 3 start. How often is it healthy to cry?
Sorry?
How often is it healthy to cry?
Every time. You can cry whenever you feel like it. Crying
Superpower that you want to
have? Be able to fly.
At which age do you want to retire?
Never.
Name 3 friends that you would call when you are in trouble.
Ansha, Zunaira, and Abdullah.
If you could travel back in time, what period would that be?
If I could travel back in time, what period would that be? My childhood, yes.
What is your favorite junk food?
Pizza, burger, pizza, pizza, burger, pizza.
What is the color of your toothbrush?
It's red.
I thought you would say pink.
Yeah,
what do you like to share most on social media?
What do I like to share most on social media? My art, my artwork. I like to share that with people.
Yeah, you paint very well. You sketch very well. Bollywood or Hollywood?
Hollywood for sure.
Favorite movie that you can remember of right now?
Us. Very interesting.
You are stuck on an island and you have to choose one from following three people with whom you would like to be stuck.
Uh-huh.
Lala, Zanera, Yumna.
Zanera. This is a very obvious answer, but this got me in trouble.
I know.
I don't like
Your favorite
Zanera.
fashion trend of all time?
My favorite fashion trend pajamas are, but jeans and t-shirts.
Good. Last question. If you write your autobiography, its name would be?
It's kind of long. It's a curious scientist with an artistic streak.
Okay, हम इसके ना initials ले लेंगे.
A curious scientist. मजे का नहीं लग रहा. Also,
No.
I have another one for this. I don't know if
Yes.
people will understand it. It's called supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Mary Poppins.
Yes. Oh, you
I
know
love
the
that
reference.
movie.
Oh my God, you know the reference. You know the song. Oh my God, I'm so glad.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Kind of atrocious.
I love this movie. I love this song. Like, this was
Oh my
awesome.
God, you know this.
I am so happy that you know about this. I am surprised.
Fist bump.
Okay, Javeria, thank you so much for being on the show. You were fabulous.
Thank
If
you so
you
much for
answered
having me.
everything so quickly, and your rapid fire was actually rapid. That's what I liked about it.
यार दिमाग इतना तेज है.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a great day.
Bye.